In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the original listing after purchase on eBay. If you've ever bought something on eBay and later wanted to go back and see the original item page, this is a quick and useful process to know. It can help if you want to double check the item description, review the photos, confirm the seller's wording, or look back at specific details from the listing after the purchase has already been completed. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your eBay account once you're on the eBay website. Move your cursor over the My eBay section near the top of the page. You don't need to click it right away if it opens as a menu when you hover. Just place your mouse over it and wait for the menu options to appear. From that menu, click Purchase History. This will take you to the area where eBay stores a record of the items you've bought. If you made multiple purchases, you may need to scroll a little to find the exact order you want to review. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct item, especially if you've recently purchased similar products. Once you've found the order, click View Order Details. This opens a more detailed page for that purchase, where you can see information related to the transaction. This page is helpful because it gives you access to the order in a more complete way than the summary view in your purchase history. After that, look for the product name in the order details. Click directly on the product name, and that should open the original listing for the item. This is the page that shows how the item was originally presented when it was being sold on eBay. If the listing is still available, you'll be able to review the title, photos, description, pricing, and other item details. In some cases, if the listing has been removed or is no longer fully available, eBay may show limited information instead. But in many situations, clicking the product name is the fastest way to get back to that original listing page. And that's it. Hover over My eBay, click Purchase History, open View Order Details, and then click the product name to see the original listing. It's a simple path once you know where to look, and it can save you time whenever you need to revisit the exact details of something you purchased.